fresh orange banana smoothie, and welcome to Healthy Living Fit channel, my friend Straka. So in today's ingredients for our fresh strawberry banana fresh orange smoothie we are making, I have a very fresh orange juice that I just made. And if you want to know how to make a fresh orange juice without a juicer, I have a video for you that can show you how to do that. It's very simple to make and you don't have to buy from the store. This is natural and healthy, so you can learn how to do your fresh orange juice without a juicer. And now I'm going to use some fresh strawberries and then also banana. As you can see, this banana is very ripe, as we are not going to add any sweetness to our smoothie because we want this to be very natural and very tasty. So I am going to just peel my banana. Always just let your banana, just let it sit on the counter, let it ripe very nicely, so that way your smoothie will be very sweet without adding any sweetness to it. We don't want anything there. And then all I'm going to do is just cut this and put it in my blender. And now my strawberries, always you can use a cutting board please, and I am just going to wash my hands and come back. All right, so I'm going to pour 1 glass of orange juice. This is very fresh, natural. You can make this at home, and we just need 1 cup of that. And also need 2, and then we're just going to pour this in here. And this is going to be very delicious natural vitamin C. And I'm just going to cover this and start blending, and just cover that, and then just put this on the So we just finished doing our blend. This all, goodness, look at that, smells so good. We are just going to pour this in a glass. Delicious, lovely color of smooth. Oh my goodness, this looks so delicious. And look at this lovely fresh strawberry, fresh orange juice and banana smoothie. Just 3 ingredients, and this is love. And I'm gonna give this a taste how it came out. Fresh strawberry, orange juice, banana smoothie. And this looks delicious, and I am going to give it a taste. So mild. The banana incorporates everything together to give it the sweetness you want, natural sweetness, banana in your daily intake, everything in here. This is how I want my smoothie to be made all natural. The one thing that makes my smoothie comes natural and sweet is the banana. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you. Bye.